Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered if it just silently floats through space, untouched by anything on Earth? For a long time, scientists thought the moon was just a quiet neighbor, distant and separate from our busy blue planet. But recent discoveries have revealed a curious secret: the moon has been feasting on particles from Earth for billions of years. Let's step back for a moment. Imagine Earth is like a superhero with a magical shield. This shield, called the magnetic field, surrounds our planet and protects us from dangerous radiation and charged particles streaming from the sun. But this shield isn't a perfect bubble. On the side of Earth facing away from the sun, the magnetic field stretches out into space, forming something that looks like a long, invisible tail. Scientists call this the magnetic tail or magnetotail. Now, here's where the fun begins. Once every month, as the moon journeys around Earth, it passes through this great magnetic tail. For about 3 to 5 days each month, the moon isn't just gliding through empty space. It's swimming through a river of invisible energy and particles that flow from Earth's own atmosphere, carried along by the magnetotail. But how do these particles get from Earth to the moon? Picture tiny molecules, like oxygen, drifting upwards from Earth into space. Some of them are grabbed by the stretch of our planet's magnetic tail. When the moon moves into this tail, it scoops up or absorbs some of these particles. In other words, the moon has secretly been eating little bits of Earth's atmosphere, a diet of particles for ages. This surprising discovery was made by carefully studying how particles move around Earth, using satellites and instruments that can see the invisible magnetic field and the traveling particles. Scientists compared what they found with rocks brought back from the moon by astronauts and realized that some oxygen atoms in the moon's soil likely came from our planet. Why does this matter? Well, it means the moon records our planet's past in a new way. The tiny Earth-borne particles stuck in lunar dust might give scientists clues about what Earth's atmosphere was like millions or even billions of years ago. So, next time you gaze at the silvery face of the moon, remember it's not just shining because of sunlight, it's also a secret collector of Earth's history.